So you clicked on this video because your Addon Peds doesn't really work, and of course it doesn't work for me too. So here's how I managed to fix it. Just to get it out of the way, this is not a virtual version. This is actually FitGo's repack, and it's currently version 1.41. That is the reason I guess it's not working, but I still got it to work. But to give you an idea how to do it, you should have probably installed Addon Peds, but if you haven't, I'm just gonna give you an idea of what to do. So you need scriptug.v, scriptug.net, native UI, and you should have OpenIV installed. If you don't know how to install OpenIV, I'll leave a link in the description to a video which shows you how to do it. You should pretty much have an idea of what you should do because it's pretty easy. Addon Peds, because that is how you're gonna work with it, and menu. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it. So scriptug.v, easy stuff. You just click on this thing and you just drag and drop. I've already done it, so I'm not gonna do it again. Same thing with native trainer. You just click on both of these, you drag and drop, but I've already done it, so I'm not gonna do it again. Now you gotta install menu because this is gonna be your workaround for this, and trust me, it works. So you just take it and drag and drop, but I've already done it, so I'm not gonna do it again. And we are left with Addon Peds, and I think we are left with this. So if you have installed Addon Peds, then you can just skip this part, but Addon Peds, installing it is pretty simple. You just go to your folder. Now I have a mods folder because it's just what it is, and update, you go 64 DLC packs, and you just put this and slide it. But I've already done it, so I'm not gonna do it again. So what you gotta do is just take this, not really this, and this, and you drag and drop, and also the scripts folder, and drag and drop straight. It's easy, okay? But what you gotta do is open IV, and what you have to do mainly is go to mods or your update folder. It depends if you have made a mods folder. Update, common, data, and here you have your DLC list. So I'm gonna turn on edit mode. I'm gonna go to my DLC list, edit, and I can go down and just do this and add the line here, but I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. The line is, by the way, here. I'll have to start off this thing HTML. I don't know why they decided to do it in HTML instead of doing WordPad or something like that, but this is the line you gotta copy straight up. This is the line that you have to copy and put it in your DLC list here. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again, but this is just how you're gonna do it. And after this, you should pretty much have this installed. It's pretty easy, but make sure when you run this thing, run it as administrator, because that's making a difference, okay? Because when you do not run as an administrator, it doesn't work. So adding on pets, it should be pretty easy, just like the standard way of doing it. You go to update, if you have your mods folder, mods update, and then you go to 64 DLC packs, and you go and find out your Addon Peds, DLC, Peds, and now here you have all of your Peds. If you're installed, I'm gonna go with John Wick, and I'm just gonna put it in, drag and drop, easy. That's it. Yeah, now you don't need this. You just have to remember this name, Wick, because you want to spawn in by this name. You have to remember this because you have to do it. I already have character swap, so I don't really need to remember it, but to all of those who do not have it, you will have to remember it. Now what you gotta do is go to Addon Peds, run as administrator. If you do not do this, it's not gonna work. So run as administrator. Just gonna open it and gonna give it its time. So I have a lot of mobs installed, peds installed. So you go down, new, and you click on. Now you type in the name, WICK, and that should be it. It's a male, and put this properly because it fucks up if you don't do it properly. And so what this stream thing means is that if you have a pet that has another folder attached to it, then you have to click on true. But in my case, or in the most normal case, you won't have anything, so just click on false and add pet. Now this is something that people forget, okay? Once you add a pet, click on rebuild, and once you do rebuild, that should work. So after this, you're pretty much done. You don't have to do anything else. And now I'll meet you once the game is loaded in. So if you can see, we are in the game, and of course, let me just change the time by the way. Of course, it's not working. Me clicking L is not gonna work, right? Because let me show you, this is not working. It's not working. But here's the workaround, right? You go to F8. That should open up menu. Then you go to player options, model changer. And you go to input mode, and then you type in what your character's name is. In my case, it's Wick, and voila, I've John Wick. And this is definitely one of the more complex ways, because I think that there are easier ways, but the ones I've tried haven't really worked. But it's something that people have put online, so it should work for some other people. But this is the one I'm pretty sure is gonna work like 99%. If it doesn't, make sure you tell me in the comments, so that I find out some other way to try and make it happen. But yeah, that's been it. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.